Hello everyone, welcome to my videos. Myself Ashwin Nayak. From today, let we start 9th standard social science in the geographical part. Chapter name is Mineral Resources. So in this chapter, we have to studying the main objectives are the mineral available in the Karnataka. So which are the places that minerals to available on Karnataka? So, what are the importance of these minerals and then distributions of minerals in Karnataka and then productions of these minerals? So, these are all information we have to study in this class. So, the mineral resources play a significant role in economic development of the state country. Karnataka has the rich and varied mineral resources is there. Among them to the iron ore, manganese, limestone, graphite, mica, chromitite, and bauxite, copper, nickel. So these are all the important minerals in the Karnataka state. Okay, let us study about them. That the first one, the iron ore. So iron ore is the raw material from iron and the steel industries. So Karnataka has the west service of this magnates and hematite grade iron ores is there. And then so Karnataka stands the next on Odisha is the productions of this iron in India. So there are the 75 percentage of working iron to mines in our state. So the high grade of this iron, the ore produced in our state. So the rest is the hematite ore. Okay, look at this. In this left side, we have to see there the magnetite ore, and then in the right side, the hematite, the ore. So in these minerals, it is to be distributions of the state. So in our state, so which are the districts? It is to be distributed on the iron ore. So iron ore is the main distributed in the districts of this the Ballari, Chikkamangaluru, Bagalkote, Chitradurga, Tumkuru, Shivamogga, Dakshina Kannada, Uttar Kannada, Gadag. So these are all places it is to be distributions of this the iron ore. So Ballari has a rich deposits and they are the mainly found in Hospet and the Sandur areas. So iron ore is extracted at iron ore is the extracted at the Donimalai, Vibhuti Gudda, Belagala, Kumaraswamy Hills, Timmapagudi, Devadri Rangi, Devandri Range and the Ramadurga Hills. So these are all where it is the iron ore to distributed on the Ballari states. And then Chikkamangaluru districts, the occupies the second position. The iron ore is the found in Baba Budangiri Hills, Kemmannugundi, Kudremuka, Kemmannagundi. Look at this picture. This is the Baba Budangiri, Gangamula, Hago, Kalatigiri are the Janusuri hill rocks which are the views of this production, the biodiversities. The Supreme Court has ordered the mining to be stopped at Kudremuka. stopped at the Kudremukha, so which has the national park. So there are the iron ore deposit in Hosturga and the Saslo of Chitradurga districts. So Bagalkote district and Huliyara and the Chikkanayakanhalli of Tumkur districts. So Kumsi, Shankargudda and the Siddharhalli of the Shumoga districts. So etc. It is to be in the Chikkamangaluru and then Shumoga districts and then Tumkuru and in Durga districts also. The iron ore in the state of supplied the iron and the steel factories of the Bhadravatis. Okay, look at that. So this is the, look at that picture. It is the distributions of this Tumkuru, Chitradurga, Shumoga, Bagalkote and then some other districts. It is to supply on to the main iron ores into the states. And then next, the iron ore, it is to produce the state is supplied by the iron and the steel factories at the Bhadravati and the Jindal, the Vijayanagara iron and the steel factory near to that Ballari. So these are all where the rest is the exported. And then next we have to see that is the manganese. So manganese ore is mainly to found of oxide from the sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. It is to be used as an in the manufacture of the steel and increase its hardness. It is also used in the used in the manufacture of the chemical, electrical industries and then chemical fertilizer, the calico printing and the prints. Hence it is to known as the jock of this all trades to use of this the manganese. And then next we have to see the distributions of this manganese. So the manganese are the plenty in Karnataka and the accounts from this there are the 27% of total deposited in our country. So the ranks of Karnataka is the second. So after that the Odisha productions of that it is the main ore is that is the manganese. The manganese is the found in the areas where iron, the ore is the found. Okay, so the Sandur is Ballari district is an important producers of this manganese. So produce about the 90% of the ore of the state. And then so and then the other main ore. So look at that. The Sandur is the Ballari district is an important producer of this manganese. It is to be produced on this the 90% of manganese ore of the state. The other main the manganese ore. The mining center is the Kumsi. So Shankaragudda and the Vasalli in Shumoga districts, Sadralli in Chitradurga districts, Chikkanayakanhalli in the Tumkur districts, the Shirsi Taluk, Sufa and then Landa in the Uttar Kannada districts and then districts of this Dharwad, the Vijayapur and Chikmagalur. So these are all were the major portions of the state to manganese, the producing the export of Japan, China and then other countries. So in this manganese ore, it is to center of this, these are all places to the manganese is to produce there in this the places. Next we have to see there that is the bauxite. Okay, look at that picture. So this is the bauxite ore. And then next, so the bauxite ore is the mostly the used in the preparation of aluminium. It is also used in the manufactures of this cement, steel, and then the electric wise. Hence, it is to be depend to the increases. Look at this. The mainly the productions of this the manufacture to the cement factories and then steel raw materials and then the electric wires. And then the next, so the bauxite is the mainly distributed the some others districts. So the bauxite ore is in the Karnataka are found in the districts of this the Belagavi, Chikmagaluru, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada and Udupi. So mainly the Belagavi district it is to be the bauxite produced the main districts. There are the bauxite mining in the Belagavi and the Khanapura taluks. These are all used in the Indian, the aluminum company factors at the Belagavi. Okay, look at it. The mainly Belagavi districts it is to be the most of this ore to available on this. The produce in the some others factories also we have to see in that the Belagavi districts. And the next we have to see that there is the gold. Look here. This is the gold. So the gold is here the very rare, glittering and durable yellow metals. It is used for this the making the ornaments and in the manufactures of the valuable articles. So like that watch and this etc. Also some other sheets is very much impressed with the chain and then jewelry and then rings also. So the used demand for this gold has increased its price has also the skyrocketed. So and then next we have to see there the distributions of this gold. So the gold mining in the Karnataka to the occupies the first position in the productions of this gold in the India. It is the 80% of the total gold in the India. Hence that Karnataka is known as the land of gold. Okay, listen carefully. So the first positions in the productions of gold in India, it produced the 80 percentage of this total gold in India is there available to the India. The hence that Karnataka is known as the land of the gold. So gold is the mined in Karnataka from the ancient times. So however, the gold mining was began on the large scale. So in the 1880, there are the four important mining in the Kolar gold fields. They are the Nandi Durga, Urigam, Champion, Reefs and then Mysore mines. To the among these, the Champion Reefs is the deepest gold mine. So it is to be in the 3217 the meters is there. The gold deposit in these mines is almost exhausted due to the continuous mining for the many years. Now they are not working, but this mining continuity, that is the Hatti mines. So Hatti Chinnada Gani, it is to be the gold mines of this Kolar. Okay, look at it. At present, it is the Hatti in the Raichur district. It is to the biggest gold mine in the India. The lot of this gold, it is to be produced to here in these districts, that is the Raichur. So gold is also produced in Tumkur districts and then Anjanahalli near to the Sira and other places with the gold deposits are Malgunda and the Kappadagudda in the Gadag districts also. Kempinkote in the Asan district. So these are all places to but the gold is available in our the Karnataka state. So mainly we have to see there the Kolara, Rayachuru, and then Tumkuru districts, and then Gadag districts at the last one, that is the Asan districts. So mainly we have to see there, that is the Kolar Hatti gold mines. It is to be the very important. Look here in this chart, the some others important the gold minings in that the Karnataka districts. At that Gadag, and then Tumkur, and then the Hasan. So look here, that is the Kapatagudda. It is to the Gadaga districts. And then some other places we have to see there the important the gold mines is available. See, overally, we have to study that. So, where we can see the important minerals of our Karnataka, and then distributions of this iron ore, manganese, bauxite, and then gold mine. So, these are all here to this state. And then, so what was the importance of these minerals? So in these points we have to study in the class. So overally this chapter is closed. In my next class I continue the next concept. Thank you for watching these videos. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.